this bed. We're looking on the off-leash group call. I cannot stress it. Really nasty in the arms right now. It's not good. It's really weak too. Stress it up. If you don't have that, you got nothing. You got nothing. Andy. Good boy. Your name isn't Andy. Look at the crowd all around me. You can get them running away like that. Sheba. Sheba. Good girl. Sheba! Sheba! Good girl. Sheba! See what's happening? Slingshotting this dog back in my direction. Slingshotting! Anyway, you guys, I want you to go to my Facebook. We've got the cutest pictures. Force field around yourself, you guys. That's what I'm doing. Andy! Andy! Good boy. Good boy. You've got to stay within a certain proximity of me. This dog would run completely away. Lori, if you're just not on the floor shocked that this dog could be let loose like this. Sheba! Watch out, Victoria. Watch out. They just barely missed slamming into Victoria right there. they do, when you've got two of them like this, they will tend to respond to the other one's name also. There's another dog over there, so we can barely over that way. Oh, she can see that water over there. She'd like to get in there. But as you guys recall, that's where we saw that gator that one time. Remember the video called Watch Out for Andy? Right after I went, ah! You can see their tempo now is to kind of just keep circling around or whatever. Sheba makes it hard to come around the grass. Sheba! So rather than say, no, 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 don't do that, and she's done that from the very first day. I didn't have videos from the very first day when they got dropped off, but from the very first day, she was beating this dog up. He's actually a pretty good sport. Guys, put a little zoom in on that dog over there. What is this guy insane? He sees a pack of rowdy dogs, so he stands there with his little fluff ball. Oh, he's smart now. He's leaving. Not that we couldn't control it, but I mean, look at this. Is just ridiculous. Sheba! Sheba! So what I did right there, you guys, I went pop, 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 and with each pop, I turned it up. Mack, Luna, down. Disengage these two down. There was this show I was watching this week, you guys. Down. No. Down. Listen. Luna. Down. Disengage these two real quick. What's going to happen if there's that one? Pull through. And then this is just what dogs do. It was a show, Monsters Among Us or something. It was on YouTube. About these, and I'm not wondering how true this really is, but about these packs of feral dogs and stuff in Detroit that were killing people, and they were like trying to DNA these dogs, and they were just full of diseases and everything. Sheba, good girl. I can already tell you that dog is start guzzling down the water. Anyway, it was just like trying to scare us into thinking there's these packs of marauding dogs. But they did have a few good points about, genetic predisposition and stuff. Because people do not understand that. They just think, oh, dogs. And the ones that are mean were made mean by the people. Sheba! Good girl. Oh, what's happening? I turned right. All right, guys, we're going to go. Let me just have Victoria get a little zoom in on them. What I want you guys at home know on this, what I want you guys at home to be able to learn to do is to be able to turn your dials. And a lot of these dials are tight when you first get them. These collars here are very, very old, so it's very, very easy. I want you to be able to get in the habit of turning your dial. I should maybe do just an individual one on this too, but turning your dial without looking at it. That's why I always tell you guys, you really don't need this LCD display. If I'm going to turn it up, I'm going to go to 0 and go from there. If I don't know where my dial is at, I'm going to go back to 0 and go from there. Okay?